Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I'm gonna try, I guess. Showing it's recording the screen, and also the microphone's being used. So, what you can expect out of this, or what I've seen when I went to go wash the car, I've got to actually go to Kroger, and that's about 3 miles or so. During brake regeneration, you'll see the voltage may spike up to like 350 volts, which is fine. I hardballed it once, gave her the beans, seen the voltage drop down to 288. This is pack level voltage. This is not what's going to the car. Divide the 288 out, and it was right around 2.8 volts, somewhere around there. Completely acceptable range. So, anyway, here we go. I will stop this recording when I get to Kroger, just so you guys can have a glance at how this active balance from Dolly actually works, and give you a basic idea. The current meter that's on the screen will not work. It will not read current or power, because this is not a BMS. It is active balance only. Okay, so let's go. My cats are out of canned food, and I need to get some. And it would probably be a good idea for me to get some Mountain Dew for work next week. If you hear a roar in the background that sounds like wind noise, that's actually the factory fans in the battery pack. Light brake, that's regeneration right there. That's giving it the beans. Not all the way down though. I don't want to get too crazy with it. Well, boy, those fans sure are noisy. You know, I never realized that those fans work that much, and that's ridiculous. I'll probably do a thermal mod on those fans at the main power lead to get some control on those fans per heat, because they're really not needed that much with these cells. They are designed to handle 200 amp. Green light. Give it the gas a little. Let off the gas. Let it do some regeneration. A little brake regeneration there. $358. Well, that's the highest I've seen it yet. I'd rather see it go up. Well, $358 ain't too bad. I never knew those fans ran that much. Of course, with it being all confined inside a metal case, I guess you never hear them, and I never did. But at least the bearings aren't bad in them. where to park at Kroger. Okay, people. So with 358's the highest I ever see for the brake regeneration to attempt to do, this pack will be just fine. I do tend to take advantage of the brake regeneration on the trips where I get a long downward hill. I'll barely hit the brake. Never really knew what I was doing with to the batteries because, well, I didn't have anything like this. But now I can monitor that situation. And I've also got a small spot in my dash in front of the gear shift that I can possibly put a meter in. I might do that, and I might not. This is going to give me a pretty good idea of what's going on. But until next video, folks, I'll be fixing that 60 volt 20 amp power supply here pretty soon, and I'll have a video on it. I'll catch you later.